how to disconnect your Apple Pencil from your iPad. So this can be useful if you're having any kind of issues with the Apple Pencil, or maybe you're just selling the Apple Pencil and you want to disconnect it from your account. Now all you need to do is go and load up the settings on your iPad, and then from the left hand side click on Bluetooth. Now underneath My Devices you should be able to see your Apple Pencil. So all you need to do is click on the information button next to the pencil. You can then press Forget this device and then confirm by pressing Forget device. Now if you're selling your iPad, you may also want to remove your pencil from the Find My app. So if you go and load up Find My, you can click on Devices at the bottom of this page. And if you're using an Apple Pencil Pro, you may see it in this list of devices. Now if that's the case, you can go and select your Apple Pencil, and then you can go and remove it from the Find My app, and this will essentially remove the ownership of the Apple Pencil. So that's how to disconnect an Apple Pencil from your iPad.